Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Ollama on your local machine so you can run LLM directly on your local machine without connect to the internet. But the first step when you install it, you will need the internet to download files and model. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's open web browser and search for Ollama, and you can go to this link. And you can go to download over here. Make sure you download for the window and download for the window over here. The file size is 1.3 gigabyte. It's gonna take for a while, depend on how fast your internet is. To install Ollama on your computer, I recommend you need 8 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, when it's finished download, you can open the folder and then you will see Ollama setup over here. Double click on the files and click install. When the installation is completed, the software will pop up right here. This is the suggestion command that you can use Ollama with other kind of software as well, such as Claude, or you can go to the new chat. It's available over here. You can use GUI over here. For example, you can select a model here. This is the recommend model. You can type the model here. So how many model does Ollama provide for you? You can look at over here, but I will recommend Gemma for now. It's a really good open source model from Google. Gemma offer many model over here, small size, medium size, and big size. You have to choose the right one for your computer. Let me show you a presentation how to choose a model that's suitable for your computer. When it's run on your PC, it's all about RAM. The rule is the model must fit in your memory. And Windows already use some RAM, you have to think about it. For example, if your computer has 8 GB of RAM, so you can use the small models such as 1 to 3 billion parameter. Or if you have 16 GB of RAM, you can use something between 7 to 8 billion parameter because your computer has used some, right? You have to spare some RAM for your computer. Okay, for over here, you will see this is the parameter. 2 billion parameter, 4 billion parameter, or 12 billion parameter. In this case, I will show you how to use 2 billion parameter. It's lightweight model, so I think it supports most computer. In my case, I can use 4 billion or 12 billion parameter as well because I have a high RAM, 32 GB of RAM. If you want to know how much RAM your computer has, you can press Ctrl+Shift+L and then it will pop up Task Manager over here. You can click over here and then you will see the total RAM that you have. My computer has 32 GB of RAM and it has been used 17 GB by Windows. Okay, the next step, I'm going to show you how to load AI model into your Ollama. For example, you will see over here, there are many models that doesn't exist over here. So how can you download it? For example, if you go to model, I'm going with Gemma 3. Let me search for Gemma. Okay. Over here, you will see that 1 billion parameter is only 815 megabyte. You can try to download other model. It is the same way. I just want to show you this one because it's smaller size. You just click over here and you just copy this command. You will see Ollama, run, and then Gemma 3, 1 billion parameter. This is the name of model. Just open the terminal. Paste the command over here. Instead of using run, you can put poll. And then it's going to download the model to your computer. So the download is going to take for a while, depending on how fast your internet is. Okay, after the download is done, you can check if it has been downloaded into your computer. You use command Ollama and then list. You will see Gemma 3, 1 billion parameter over here. Okay, let's go back to this one. Let me close this one and reopen it again. And if me select the model over here, I will see Gemma 3, 1 billion parameter. And one thing I want you to do is to go to setting. I just want to increase the context length. It's the memory of LLM in your local machine. So we can adjust this to 16 billion parameter. Okay. And then I put hello. You can see, hi, what can I help you? I want to write a 500 words essay about the advantage of using AI for homework. Sometimes running a LLM model on your computer is pretty slow. It depends on how fast your computer is. Okay, you will see the output over here is pretty good. So I will teach you more about the command line over here. Let's take a look at the full command over here. We have used this command to download a LLM model to our computer, Ollama Gemma. And if you go to setting over here, you will see this path is used to save all models that we download from the internet. You can change the directory. And the next command, we use this command to list all the LLM model over here. So we use this to list LLM model. And this command, we can run LLM model in the terminal. For example, you can type Ollama run and a name of model. Okay, hit enter. It will load the model here, and then it will say send the message. For example, hello, who are you? See, I'm a large language model. And if you want to access this conversation or end this conversation, you just type bye. Okay, type Ollama list to list all model again over here. And this command, the last one, is to delete a model. For example, you can type Ollama rm remove and the model name that you want to remove. Paste this over here, hit enter. Delete the Gemma 3 1 billion parameter. And then you can type list again. No model exists on your computer right now. Alright, this is all about this tutorial. I hope you like it. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment down below.